Alright, join me again. Let's solve this equation. Alright, in this kind of equation, the first thing we have to do here, we have to simplify the equations by removing these fractions that we have here. And for us to be able to remove it, we have to multiply each equation with its LCM. Alright, and the LCM of this fraction here is 6. While the LCM of this one here is 12. So we are multiplying equation 1 by 6 and equation 2 by 12 times 12. So we are going to have, for this equation 1, we have 6 over 1 times 1 over 2 x plus 6 over 1 times 1 over 3 y equals to 6 times 4. For equation 2, we are going to have, remember we name our equation. For equation 2, we are going to have 12 over 1 times 1 over 4 y minus 12 over 1 times 1 over 3 x equals to 12 over 1 times 1 over 6. 1 over 6. Now let's cancel out. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. 4 here 1, 4 here 3. 4 here, 3 here 1, 3 here 4. 6 here 1, 6 here 2. So let's add it. Here we have 3x plus 2y equals to 24. Here we have 3y minus 4x equals to 2. We are going to have, now, look at this equation, this last one. Here is x, here is y, here is y, here is x. So we have to write this last equation, okay, for us to have x and y. So in order to rewrite it, we are bringing x to this side, right? And we are moving y to this side. So we are going to have 3x plus 2y equals to 24. Equation 1 to 3. Equation 3. Now, bringing x over to this side, wash this sign. Watch this our sign. We are taking minus 4x, not only 4x, because this sign comes with this 4. Alright? So we're going to have minus 4x, while this y is positive, plus 3y equals to 2. Equation 4. Now, we can now solve it the normal way using elimination method. Alright? So, in order for us to eliminate x, we are multiplying equation 1 with the coefficient of x in equation 2. And also, equation 2 with the coefficient of x in equation 1. So here we are multiplying equation, 3 and 4. We are multiplying this equation with minus 4. And this one with 3. So we are going to have minus 4 times 3x is going to give us minus 12x. That is going to give us minus 8y. Y here is going to give us equals to minus 96. Alright? So minusing this one, we are going to have minus 12x. This we are going to have plus 9y equals to 6. We can name it equation 5 and equation 6. Now, what we are to do next is, since we want to eliminate x, right, and we have negative sign here and negative sign here, okay? So what we are to do is to add the both equation. You see add? No, is to subtract the both equation, right? So we are subtracting it. Minus 12x minus 12x is going to give us 0. Wash, negative sign times negative sign is positive. What we have in here, what we have in right here now is wash. We having, let me write it. We having minus 12x minus 12x. Alright, so we are going to have minus 12x plus 12x. Alright, so once we add them, we are going to get 0. Alright, so minusing this, we have ruled out this one is 0. Here we are going to have minus 8y minus 9y is going to give us what? Minus 17y. Alright, now minusing this one, minus 96 minus 6 is going to give us minus 102. Alright, so here we are dividing both sides by minus 17. So we're going to have over minus 17 over minus 17. This negative sign will cancel this one. This cancel here. Dividing it, we're going to have y equals to 6. Alright? We've gotten our y as 6. Okay? So let's substitute for our y at 6 in any of these equations for us to be able to find the value of our x. Alright? So let's use equation. Let's say, which equation are we going to use now? Let's use equation 4. Let's use equation 4. So we're going to have minus 4x plus 3y equals to 2. This is our equation 4. So we're going to have minus 4x plus 3 times 6 equals to 2. Minus 4x, this is going to give us plus 18 equals to 2. Minus 4x equals to 2 minus 18. So we're going to have, this is 4x. We're going to have minus 4x equals to 2 minus 18 is going to give us minus 16. Minus 16. So we are dividing both sides by minus 4. Alright? We're going to have over minus 4 over minus 4. Minus 4 cancel minus 4. Minus cancel minus is positive. 4 here 1, 4 here is 4. So the value of our x is equals to 4. Right? So we have gotten the value of our y as 6. 6 is the value of our y. Y4 is the value of our x. I have shown you people how to check if your answers are right. All right. So for you to check if your answers are right, substitute these values in these equations. You can choose to you can decide to use equation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But while substituting them, make sure you try it in two equations. Don't just use one equation to check. All right, use two equations. What I mean is that after using equation 4 to check for your answer, also use equation 5, 6, or any other equation. All right, all you have to do, if you are using equation 4, anywhere you see y, remove it and put 6, and anywhere you see x, remove it and put 4. So here we are going to have 4 here, and we're going to have y here. After you have add them, if it gives you 2, that means your answer is right. Likewise this one, after substituting them and it gives you 24, that means your answer is right. Alright, see you in my next video.